Hello, today's October 11th, 2020, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the progress I've made in my day trading account, my little brokerage account that I started out with 700 back in May, and I've day traded it all the way up to 3,500. Basically, I've even been able to I took out a little bit if I wanted to buy something or see something I want, and I'm pretty much probably gonna buy a car at the end of this year with part of the money. But there's a few things I just like to pass on to anybody who's listening. If you want to make money on consistently in day trading, Tesla, Apple, and Plug is another one. Those are the three stocks that I day trade pretty much all the time, and they're consistently profitable for me. And then ticker symbol CHNR, China Natural Resources, is another good one. But so far this month I'm up about 10%, and I day traded. I just day trade the winners. Like Tesla. If you want an easy way to make money quick, just day trade Tesla in the pre-market. Buy in around 7 a.m. and you can sell it, say 7:15. Have your money in the stock market for 15 minutes and make 1 or 2% very quickly. Also, Apple is another great stock to buy right now. Mainly, it's got some good news coming out. It's up over 20%, 21%, I think, over the past 3 months. And I think they're getting ready to come out with a new iPhone, so it's at 118. I think it'll go to 125. So if you just want to buy and hold, you can make some easy money there. But mainly I like having my money back the same day. So just in case some news comes out and some bad news, whatever, and knocks the stock prices back, and I don't want to lose my gains that way. I'd rather take my money and just let them compound, making 1 or 2% throughout the month. At the end of the month, you've got 30%, profit, or 30% gain on your principal. But, in the pre-market, like I said, Tesla is a good stock. Also, Plug, I like to day trade it during the day. It's a stock that you should definitely keep your eye on. It's up 96% over the past 3 months. It's up to $18, and it's probably going to go a lot higher just because now is a good time to invest in any of the electric car companies, or day trade them at least. They're all really hot and going up in value. Personally, I like Plug. It's been a company I've been watching for the past, I'd say, since June. Since it was around $12 or $13, and it's just continued to go up. But generally, I day traded this past week. I day traded Plug. I bought in around $18.18 on Friday. Sold out, probably less than 10 minutes. Made, sold it for I think $18.42 or something like that. Didn't take long. It was easy. It's an easy stock to make a couple percent on. And if you ever get a chance to buy it when it's down, if it goes down anytime below $18.20, I'm going to buy as many shares as I can, because that stock is going to pop right back up to $18.50, $18.80, within sometime that week, and generally I don't hold stocks, but there's, 1 or 2 that Tesla, Apple, and Plug, but, make sure you've got a stop loss in. That, I always put a stop loss in if you choose to. But generally, if I'm trading penny stocks, I mean, you can lose half your investment, half the value overnight. It's dangerous, and that's why I recommend just day trading. Get your money, take 1 or 2%, let it compound through the month, and you'll have 30%, 40%, maybe more. A few runners, pre-market runners that I day traded this week were ticker symbol AGE, ticker symbol MARP, and ticker symbol MDGS. Generally, I buy those in the pre-market, and I try to buy them around 7, and I'll sell them whenever they make 5% or so. Just I'm getting in quick, getting out quick, making a nice profit. I also day traded SNMP, which was a big runner on Friday. There's basically the main thing with those is make sure that where you're getting in, where you're getting out, and because it doesn't take long. You've got to be quick, because that's those stocks can fall just as quickly as they rose. Mainly this week, just like all other weeks, if you all would like my basically I tweet out on Twitter the 4 or 5 good stocks that are rising early in the morning, that are rising in pre-market, the big gainers, and you can make a quick 5 or 10% or 50% or more if you'd like. If you just got basically, if you'd like that, I'm on Twitter. It's Josh Delosier 03, and you can follow me, and I send it out every morning, around 7 o'clock. And generally this week, if you get a chance to buy a plug, definitely buy it. Ticker symbol PLUG. That stock's one that's just skyrocketing, and it's to me, that there is easy money. And Tesla, like I said before, just if you buy it in pre-market, generally every day, if you buy around 7 o'clock, it almost always goes up. No matter what it does the rest of the day, it's going to go up for 5 to 15 minutes, and that's an easy way. I've made a few $100s doing that. It's not very hard. Everybody loves Tesla. It's a great stock to own, and there's a lot of enthusiasm and hype, because it's a great company, and they're always coming out with good news. And Apple, it should go to 125 or so, I think, here shortly. Just got to be paying attention with Apple. Personally, I like to wait till it has a red day to buy it, and then maybe then generally it'll come back up a little bit that day. I try to buy it, because the market overreacts, on green days, and when the stocks has really good news or really bad news. And if you get it on a down day, you'll probably get back some of your profit that day, and you can sell it right then, or or you can hold it, till tomorrow and get the full gain. Generally it'll swing right back up, as long as the story hasn't changed, and the fundamentals of the company's the same. But generally, generally with Tesla or Apple or anything like that, or or plug right now, it's so hot, you're going to make money if you just buy and hold. But personally, I believe that if you can get plug below 1820, that's a buy. Apple on a red day, or Tesla on a red day. If Tesla ever falls below 420, definitely buy. But in general, I'm always trying to buy it, in the pre-market. I own it for about 15 minutes every day, and it pays me a couple $100 every week. You know, I can't complain. Other than that, you know, the pre-market runners, you know, I wouldn't advise holding any of those. I believe if you buy them in the pre-market, sell them in the pre-market. That's just my personal advice, because, you know, you never know when the market opens, things could just crash. But you know, again, you know, and then one last stock, one penny stock, it's finally went back up. It was trading at $1.50 and $1.60, $1.60 a share. China Natural Resources. Generally, you know, I like, you know, if I can buy it under $1.20, you know, I'm happy with it. And you know, of course, have a stop loss in it, and I'm always going to sell my penny stocks that day regardless. I mean, never hold a penny stock overnight. That's just my personal, you know, advice. But you can make, you know, 5 or 10% with companies like Plug in one day. So it's a hot stock, and it wouldn't surprise me if it goes to $20 this week. So you know, if you've got some extra money, there'd be my #1 pick for this week. Also, DPHS, Diamond Peak Holdings, they've dropped considerably back down to around $21, I believe, and then it jumped 12% Friday. So I'd watch it. You know, if it comes back down, I mean, it might be worth putting some money into, because you can gain, because it's volatile, another 5 or 10% in one day with it as well, because it was up to around $30 last month. All right, well, those are my stock picks this week. Just kind of, you know, keep an eye on them. If anybody has any questions about my stocks or any of my stock picks, or has any questions about any stocks in general, you know, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I also put a link in the description to get a free stock if anyone's interested. That's an easy $10 that you can make. Just click on the link. It's that easy, and sign up for the, you know, dough